Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
So a new species of bacteria has actually been discovered on the Chinese Tiangong Space Station. The microbe, by the way, has been officially named Niallia tiangongensis. It was found in microbial samples collected from the surfaces of the Tiangong during the Shenzhou 15 crewed mission, which returned to Earth in June 2023. Scientists have described it as an aerobic, spore-forming, rod-shaped bacterium. While it closely resembles Niallia circulans found on Earth, it exhibits several mutations that suggest unique adaptations for survival in the extreme environment of space, including a, unique ability to hydrolyze, basically break down, gelatin and enhanced resistance to oxidative stress and radiation damage. This is the first time a new species has been discovered aboard the Tiangong Space Station. Researchers are, studying it to understand how bacteria survive in space and its potential implications for astronaut health and future space missions.